bed and breakfast is waiting. I added a mortuary this year.
Oh man.
I thought it was time.
To get fresh ingredients, yes.
Yes, because the coffee will get you to the afterlife just as quick as you can get there. So you're ready for the next thing.
Wow.
Yes, it's turbocharged. And then I have a brand new Larva Luscious Lorraine Latte.
Woo!
I'm using the freshest ingredients right here from my garden soil. You know the boba thing? Everyone likes the boba thing?
Yeah.
I can't afford those tapioca balls, whatever those things are. No. I can get fresh larva right here out of my dirt.
And I guarantee it's better than boba.
Better than boba.
Yeah!
Yes. I fill every mug 3/4 of the way full with a little wiggly squiggly larva. But let me give you a tip, Children.
Yes.
If you don't chew those things up real quick, they're gonna go straight up your nasal cavities and into your brain.
Oh no!
No, yes!
Yes!
Then you get a brain worm. You know why it's good to have a brain worm?
Why?
Because you're never alone. If you have a brain worm, you have those little voices in your head?
Yes.
That's often a brain worm that's been undetected.
Oh, you know what they sing? The worms crawl in, the worms crawl out, the worms.
And out the mouth.
Yeah.
Yes, oh, that scared me when I was a little girl. I did not like that song.
Oh.
It's really scary for this little old witchling.
Oh.
No, my mommy did not let me watch those movies. No, that's why I'm so sweet.
Yes.
I'm just barely evil.
Yes.
You just never know when the evil's gonna appear.
Yes.
So, can I sign you up right now for the dead and breakfast? You get the, the drawer. You heard about it, right? I told you last year, I believe I converted the mausoleum.
Yes.
It's a Viva.
Yes.
Made by a witch.
Yes.
Yes, and you get your own drawers.
Yes.
Tastefully appointed.
Yes.
Memory foam or pillow top. Yes. So you're ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So, can you come back at 11:45?
Okay.
I have time then to get you all embalmed.
Oh, yes.
Embalming is an art, and taxidermy is a must.
Yes.
It was a pleasure.
It's always a
I
pleasure.
have so much to do, so I'm gonna go get ready.
Yes, we love you, Lorraine.
Love you too.
Love you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yes.
A little huggy wuggy.
Yes, please.
Yes, dear.
Thank
Good to
you.
see you.
Oh, it's nice to
Thanks
see
for
you.
coming and saying hi, guys. I hope you're having fun tonight.
Yes.
Yes, it's okay.
It's been extreme.
It's been
I
fun.
hope it's been extreme.
Extreme.
Crazy slider show coming up.
Oh,
in
yes.
London.
Yes.
Yes.
1 hour before closing.
It's got a lot of dance this year.
Woo.
Interpretive dance.
Yes.
And then they are rolling.
Yes.
Back and forth. I don't know how they do it.
It's magic.
I can barely walk. See me slide.
Yeah.
I might slip.
Woo.
I'm gonna do no sliding.
Oh, man.
Too old.
Thank you.
You have a good evening.
You too.
You too. Toodles.
Toodles. Oh.
Look at that cauldron. It's so cool, the scare zone. I like the lighting over
I
here.
do, and I like the music too.
Whoa, that's creepy. Yeah, this one's always cool. I like the lighting and the fog and the UV and everything.
Yes.
And the strobe lights. And these creepy little things.
Night to be dead.
Yes, it is.
At least I think so. What's up, kid? Yeah, go that direction. town.
All night.
You should try the dead and breakfast.
Oh, we hear it's
On
great.
the dead.
Yes.
You look like me when you wake up.
Yes.